Hello and welcome back. In this lecture we're gonna to draw some object on the face of another object using the extrude command. So it's also going to be very important. So let's draw an object. As we have already discussed that we are in the top view. So let's draw a rectangular object so that it can have certain more faces to draw objects. And I'll go on the northeast isometric view. Okay, so now extrude it is using the extrude command. Click spacebar, and then I'm going to give something 2.5 mm height. Okay, so now we have a box of 2.5 mm height, and now we're going to draw a circular rod on faces of this box. So first, before proceeding, let's ensure that your dynamic UCS is on from here, and similarly your snap mode is on for the nearest extension, intersection, center, midpoint and endpoint. That is enough to make a joints. Okay, so these two are on Maxio in AutoCAD, and then start to draw. Let's select a circle to draw a rod and go on the faces. When faces is lighting, just draw a circle on any point of this rod. Okay, so suppose I want to draw on this point, so draw a circle. Okay, so this is the circle which we have drawn, and now I want to extrude the circle. Go on extrude, select this circle, press spacebar, and see here we are able to extrude a circle on the faces of this box. What I want to give the height of this rod is 2 mm. So now we have a 2 mm rod. If you want to increase it, you can by using this arrow like circle. Just click on the object and drag from this arrow type tool, and we can drag it to more. We can lengthen this rod. So now it is something looking like an hammer. So finally we have made a hammer like tool using the 3D system. You can also draw rods or anything on the all faces of the circle. You just have to go and click on the shapes which you want to draw, and then you need to hold for fraction of second on this face, and then you can draw anything on that surface. So this is the way to draw anything on 3D command using extrude command.